Hello, everybody, and welcome back to English Fiesta. I'm not in the United States, I'm in Mexico. La Ciudad, the city of Mexico. It's so exciting. I love it here. And today I'm gonna make a short video. Okay? So here's what's happening. I'm going to the market to get a fruit juice. I love it. It's pretty much how I start all my mornings. All my mornings, or sometimes in the afternoon, at least sometime in the day, I go to the market and I get a fruit juice. While I'm doing this, while I'm walking to the market, and then afterwards a cafe or a coffee shop. While I'm doing this, I want to talk about 2 or 3 things that I love about being here, in Mexico. I'll just talk about things that I've noticed, things that I've seen, and I'll show you a little bit of the scenery, the streets, everything that's going on. Okay, so one of the first things that I love about being here in Mexico City, or the place where I'm at, is that there's a local market. So a market is just a place you go and there's different businesses. There's different businesses. So you can have a fruit juice business, you can have a t-shirt business, you can have a seafood business, you can have all of these different kind of businesses. So whatever you need to buy, you can go to the local market and get it. So it's so easy to walk. It's so easy to walk to the local market and get what you need. So me, I need that fruit juice. I need nutrients. I need fuel. So I love getting up in the mornings or in the afternoon and being able to go to the market. In Houston, there is no local market. Of course, you can still get what you need, right? You can always find what you need, but it's really different here. It's a different vibe. In a market, there's a lot of people. People are talking, people are friendly, people are happy, and it's just a good vibe. I'll show you the market. Okay, so now we're getting close to the market. So I'll just show you how it's more lively. There's more people, there's a lot of energy. It's great. Let's see. So you see all these little shops, just different things that people are selling. It's always a vibe. Okay, so got my juice. As you can see, that was the market. So like I said, there's just little shops, little businesses. Whatever you need, you can go and buy it. So I like going there and I always get my juice. Okay, so now we're gonna walk to the coffee shop, the cafe. It's my first time going here, so I don't know what it looks like, but I looked it up online and the pictures look nice. It looks great. So let's go. Let's see how it really looks. Demolished it, destroyed it. There's nothing left. It was so good. Right there, that place. I didn't recognize it. I didn't notice because there's not a big sign, but that's the place right there. I see it I remember it. I remember it. Not, I didn't listen to it. I just remember it. So let's go. Let's go see how it looks. Okay, so as you can see, it's almost getting dark outside. It's still kind of light, but it's almost getting dark. It's almost getting dark because I spent a lot of time there at the coffee shop. It was a really nice spot, really good music, really good vibes. The person that was working there was so nice. I went in and he gave me a tour of the whole place. It was a 3-story house, right? That was converted into a business. It used to be a house and now it's a coffee shop, a business. There's offices. So it's a really big house, a really big building. And he gave me a tour around the building. He talked about all of the history, about how everything was made. It was amazing. So really good vibes, really good coffee shop. I'll definitely be back. And now I'm going to get tacos. So pretty much that's gonna be the end of this video. I'll show you my tacos, but I'll show you more adventures in Mexico. I'll show you more about what I do, what I explore, what I learn, all of those things. Oh, and I told you at the beginning of this video that I would talk about things that I noticed, things that I like. And the second thing that I like is that people are so nice. People are so friendly and so willing to take the time to show you their culture or to show you their experiences. Next, I'm talking about Mexican people. They're so nice and so friendly. So that's the second thing that I like. But yeah, I'll show you my tacos. And then that'll be it. Oh yeah. Oh